Barriers IS Academy is doing a great job in my UPSC preparation. The institute gives us daily answer writing practices, and that has enabled greatly in our answer writing enhancements. It's not just about including what is right and what is wrong. It's more about what has to be written, what shouldn't be written, how it has to be written, and with diagram enhancements.
And answer writings have been evaluated from our teachers. Our teachers have been very approachable and they guide you constantly how to enhance your answer relating current affairs to the present day construct to the static syllabus what we have according to the UPSC.
Get a clear understanding on how to write an answer and also take good takeaways from it.
Because of the knowledge of the teachers and the daily schedule that we are being provided, everything is scheduled.
Classes, in case if we miss out, there are recorded lectures also where we can go back and learn and keep a track or record of our progress.
It gives me discipline and consistency in my preparation, which is greatly needed by everyone. Be it Indrajit sir or be it Mohit sir, all of them are really good faculties.
They also make the classes very active and also lively. They clear our doubts in the middle of the class, and they also give us some active assignments and a small presentation so we can show ourselves up in the class. And also to only studying and just learning the class is not enough. We also, in this journey, it's very important for us to know where do we stand, like how are we preparing and how much do we know or how much have we learned in this process of studying or while preparing for UPSC. At Barriers, we are given workbooks at every Saturdays or after the completion of every topic. So the workbooks are very fun to do. There are a number of activities given and also a few prelims questions are given.
Why I am recommending this institute is that since there are limited students and also lot more care has been taken on everyone, and though these cares are being taken, everyone feels free to learn and also accept their mistakes and also take things away in a good manner.
Not only teaching us, but also they guide us and they motivate us in the studying, in this process of studying or preparing for UPSC.
And also they provide a weekly test which is named as workshop, and in that workshops not only the tests are being conducted and also something related to that concepts which are not knowing by us, and also the extraordinary level of thinking should be done by us.
Moreover, the teachers are very approachable and they're very friendly. Their vast knowledge has left me speechless. It enables me to study more, focus more, and learn more from them. You can approach them during class times. If you have questions, you can ask them during class times, or even after class, they are at the reception. So you can go meet them whenever you want and get doubts clarified. Moreover, they provide us personal mentor. Weekly, we have a personal mentor, and every week she used to come. So this has enabled us to solve the doubts that we are not able to ask the faculties.
One-on-one guidance has been given where they understand your preparation, how many years into it, and then according to it treat you and teach you how to move on further, how to overcome your weaknesses and how to boost your strengths, how to write good answers. Every time timely evaluation and valuable inputs from our teachers has been able to help us and made our preparation a lot easier. Framework schedule for the mains grind and prelims grind, and each subject dedicated time to be given, and weekly specified targets and daily requirements for the preparation have been framework for a long period of time, which help us and make our preparation a lot easier.
Because of its small batch size, we get individual attention and personalized connect with the professors, the faculties here. The institute gives us daily answer writing practices, and that has enabled greatly in our answer writing enhancements. It's not just about including what is right and what is wrong. Moreover, the teachers are very approachable and they're very friendly.
And the most interesting part of this workbook is in the last sheet we have been given to write about the fascinating fact that we found in the class. So this helps us go back in our mind, like we get to recall of all the classes that they have taken. So we get to find out what is the one fact that fascinates us.
Moreover, they provide us personal mentor. Weekly, we have a personal mentor, and every week she used to come. So this has enabled us to solve the doubts that we are not able to ask the faculties. Because of the knowledge of the teachers and the daily schedule that we are being provided, everything is scheduled. It gives me discipline and consistency in my preparation, which is greatly needed by everyone. Be it Indrajit sir or be it Mohit sir, all of them are really good faculties. Their approachable nature enables us to ask inquiries and ask our doubts and get them clarified easily, and they explain it without any hesitation.
Also, the mentorship here is very much well guided and also very well prepared.
I personally like to share that Indrajit sir, who has taught us geography, environment and ecology, and also the international relations, he has been my mentor throughout my UPSC journey. By guiding and tracking me through this journey, I'm happy to say that he has acted as a main pillar in reaching my goal.